Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about dogelonmars. OnlyFans donated 500 ETH to DAO supporting Ukraine. The donation by the online subscription platform is among the many crypto-based efforts to support Ukraine during its war against Russia. The popular video subscription platform OnlyFans says it donated 500 ETH, roughly $1.3 million, to Ukraine DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization raising funds to support Ukraine during its war against Russia. A representative of OnlyFans told CoinDesk the donation is a part of the company's larger charitable effort to support Ukraine, led by OnlyFans' Ukrainian-American owner Leonid Radvinsky. The company says it has now sent over $5 million to various humanitarian efforts supporting the country, with an additional $1 million donation planned to be sent March 15. These tragic events have had a terrible impact on individuals including members of our creator community, Ami Gan, CEO of OnlyFans, said in a statement. Given our strong personal ties to Ukraine, we wanted to support in a way which felt true to who we are at OnlyFans, and which focused on getting aid and support to the Ukrainian people. Ukraine DAO has been a leading crypto contributor to Ukraine's government in recent weeks, which has now received over $50 million in crypto donations since tweeting out its Ether at $0.01127, but a rally would push the price to a high of $0.000001657. The meme coin is expected to gain value in May and June to average $0.000001412 and $0.000001503, respectively. CryptoPredictions.com forecasts dogelonmars to rise to $0.00000187888 in June, setting a new high for the first 6 months. Q3 and Q4, as per the predictions, the buyers could push prices higher in the third quarter, and eventually cross the $0.0000002. During the 3 months, the price is expected to range between $0.000001350570281 and $0.00000021955778893. CryptoPredictions.com algorithm projects Dogelon growth to continue without slowing down. The coin of Elon is expected to trade between $0.000000155715950 and $0.000000246781981 in the last quarter. The price is expected to average $0.000000246781981 in October, $0.000001906164097 in November, and $0.000001974255848 in December. Group even has garnered support from Elon Musk via Twitter, who believes crypto cannot be stopped. In late January, Musk also tweeted, "Canadian truckers rule." The trucker convoy in Ottawa making international headlines was formed in opposition to nationwide vaccination mandates on truckers re-entering Canada from the United States. It has since evolved to object to all COVID-19 health restrictions, spawning similar protests throughout Canada. Ottawa police are attempting to rein in the convoy over concerns of their trucks blockading city streets and interfering with local businesses. Law enforcement also collaborated with crowdsourcing platform Dogelon to block $10 million in donations initially directed toward the convoy's organizers. That action struck a bad chord with some Canadian Bitcoiners opposed to both financial censorship and the COVID restrictions. Canadian truckers turned to Bitcoin in response to the Dogelon blockade. BTC Sessions, a crypto YouTuber from Calgary, started a fundraiser for the protest using the Bitcoin native crowdfunding platform Talacoin. Because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment network, it makes it harder for governments to prevent users from sending money to certain causes. "Thank you truckers," said one anonymous donor of $87.99 in Bitcoin. "You have made me proud to be Canadian again." Dogelon Mars is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Mars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.00